A delegation of the Senior Staff Association of Nigerian Universities, North Central Zone, gathered for the union's 10th regular zonal executive meeting at the Joseph Sawuan Tucker University, Makurdi, to appraise of issues affecting university staff in the zone and across the country. Top on the agenda is the mortgage equity contributions allegedly deducted from members but not remitted to the Federal Mortgage Bank to enable them draw loans for mortgage financing, as well as salary arrears pending for 4 months.
ZEC in session frowned at the failure of the Integrated Personnel and Payroll Information System, IPIS, to remit over 28 months of contributions and loan deductions of staff of Joseph Sawuan Tucker University and other federal universities to the Federal Mortgage Bank, thereby denying the affected staff access to mortgage loans since 2020, despite meeting all eligibility criteria. Equally painful to note is the inability of the staff of those universities that retired within the period to assess their savings with the scheme. ZEC appeals to the federal government to implement immediate measures to rectify the non-remittance of deducted funds, including the prompt transfer of the outstanding contributions and loans of such universities to the Federal Mortgage Bank.
But what the union considers a major onslaught against its bargaining tool for industrial strike is Benue State House of Assembly's move to amend the act establishing the Benue State University, Makurdi, to include a clause that makes it mandatory to give 3 months' notice to government before declaring a strike, an action that it believes violates the ILO statute.
The attention of ZEC was drawn to a bill that has passed a second reading at the Benue State House of Assembly that seek to amend the Benue State University Establishment Law to compel ASU and SSANU BSU to give at least 3 months' notice before commencement of any strike action. ZEC frowns at the proposed amendment and thereby calls on the Benue State House of Assembly to immediately expunge SEM from the bill, as SSANU is a registered trade union with its which is regulated by the Labour Act of the National Assembly and operates in compliance with the international laws that are universally enforced by the International Labour Organization, ILO, in order to protect the fundamental rights of workers.
The State Assembly declines to react directly to the issue. When contacted, the House Committee Chairman on Information and Publicity, Mr. Audu Elias, told Channels Television that the unions have the upcoming public hearing to state their case. Industrial action undertaken by several unions recently prevented students of Benue State University from sitting for their second semester examinations, with final year students delayed for 3 months beyond the expected graduation date.